Hi guys, Stuart here from Airshow World, and this is tutorial number 2 for the Proscan. Okay, so let's launch Proscan straight away. Really, all I'm going to do on this tutorial is just do a bit of a recap of what we did in tutorial number 1, because I felt I did leave just a couple of things out. Okay, so what we have here, yes, this is pretty much where we were before. It should automatically put a server port number in just there. Okay, if that isn't there, you can change that. Okay, don't forget the password. Okay, so we've showed you how to get this to the outside world, or just you can have this running on a closed network as well. Okay, which is what I'm going to show you in just a moment. But basically the whole idea of how I'm using the Proscan is you could have this running all day at home, and say from a location in your spare time, if you had spare time, say at work or somewhere else, if you wanted to connect to your radio, you could do that using Proscan. Okay, following the steps that I showed you in tutorial number 1. Okay, let's click on that button there. That's the same as having a client. So the full version, to get it out to the outside world, is a paid for version, worth every penny in my opinion. The client version, to be able to connect from a different location, is a free download, and of course the direct link to be able to download the software is in the description of the video. Okay, so if you, for example, wanted to connect to your Proscan from within your own home, so for example you've got your scanner running on a laptop or computer downstairs, you're upstairs, you wanted to connect to a different one, yeah, so you could control it from a different room. What you would do is you would click on proxy, and just here you would just type in the IP address of the machine that is using the full Proscan server. Okay, so the machine that's got the Proscan server, find out what the IP address is. I showed you guys in tutorial number 1 how to get the IP address, so check that out. Find out what the IP address of the computer using the server of Proscan. Type it in there. Yep. Type in the port. So you see, look, let's go back to the server. The port is 5000. Yep. So type the port. Type the password. Because look, notice, yes, I've put a password there. Okay. And then you would just click on start, and away it would go. And yep, you should be able to connect to your Proscan from a different room. That's if you're using it within the house. If not, say for example you're using the client software, yes, you would just type in there the server name that you've created in here, yeah, in this section here, whatever you've called it. Okay, if not, you would need to know what your IP address is of this particular device, and I'm not talking about the local IP address. By clicking that, that will give you the wide area network IP address. In other words, the IP address that your internet service provider has given you. It's a unique IP address for your computer, for your where it comes straight through into your house from your internet service provider. Okay, so I'm not going to click that to show you, because everybody would know my IP address then. So I hope this one helped in just a recap on maybe just a couple of things that I might have forgotten in the last one. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and catch you on the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.